Monday's hearing was an introductory session ahead of a deeper interrogation of Neil Gorsuch's record in the coming days. Since Donald Trump announced his choice, Gorsuch has been presented as an eminently qualified legal mind with both the temperament and record to become a Supreme Court justice.
That long before we're Democrats or Republicans or Americans. In my decade on the bench, I've tried to treat all who come before me fairly and with respect, and afford equal right to poor and to rich.
And Gorsuch has received bipartisan support. President Obama's former acting Solicitor General urged the committee to put the Republicans' refusal to allow President Obama to nominate a Supreme Court justice last year behind them and confirm Gorsuch.
This is a first-rate intellect and a fair and decent man.
However, as Gorsuch's judicial record has been probed, some analysts say a pattern emerges of a radically right-wing judge.
He knows where he wants to go and gets there. And unfortunately, most of the time, again, he sides with the wealthy and powerful.
Gorsuch's most high-profile ruling was in favor of an employer who didn't want to fund health insurance for its employees that included birth control. He has a consistent record in ruling for business over its employees. He's also expressed skepticism of the right of regulatory agencies to govern workers' protection and the environment. One case has received a great deal of attention. Alphonse Madden was a truck driver who got stranded in sub-zero temperatures after the brakes on his cargo trailer failed. Gorsuch sided with his employer, who fired him after, fearing fatal hypothermia, Madden took shelter, leaving the trailer behind.
This was a 7-year battle. 7 different judges heard my case. One of those judges found against me. That judge was Neil Gorsuch.
He expresses a lot of empathy and sympathy for the less powerful. But when it comes time to rule, when the chips are down, far too often he sides with the powerful few over everyday Americans trying to just get a fair shake.
The Senate Democratic leadership has indicated it will require Gorsuch to receive 60 votes for confirmation, so the Republicans will need the support of at least 8 Democrats. If that support isn't forthcoming, the Republicans could change the rules to allow Gorsuch to be confirmed with a simple majority, the so-called nuclear option. That would also give Donald Trump a freer hand in nominating more right-wing justices to the Supreme Court should there be more vacancies. Shihab, Rattansi, Al Jazeera, Washington.